Have you ever heard of people saying that money is not important and all you need is just to be happy? Unfortunately, in some cases, we all do need money. We need money to survive. We need money to fulfill our basic needs. So, would you agree with me that knowing how to talk about money in Chinese is very important in our day-to-day, and also even on the bigger scheme of things? So if you do, watch this video until the end, because I'm going to show you on what are the things that you can focus, and also to know the must-knows in learning about money. So here we go. So here you are. You are about to start to get the most important things in learning Chinese. So the first word would be 钱. 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 What does this mean? It means money. Money. Show me the money. Money. So I know that the world has been evolving and the world is getting smaller. We have the internet and we have been as close as much as we're like neighbors already. Imagine, we're in a world now that we are very well connected in the world, and this includes China and also the major countries all over the world. So what is one of the things that we must know? So we're gonna go over with the currencies. Let's start with the Chinese currency, which is renminbi. Renminbi. Renminbi, which is either, you can also call it Chinese yuan, that's yuan, Chinese yuan, or renminbi. So we have to know that because one of the largest economy in the world is China. And of course, the world accepted currency, which is US dollars, and we call it 美金, 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 US dollars, 美金. So the next one would be 欧元, 欧元, 欧元. Can you guess what it is? This is the euro currency. The euro currency. Next would be 英镑, 英镑. This is also one of the world's accepted currency, which is UK pounds. United Kingdom pound. 英镑, 英镑. The next currency is one of the currencies that are also connected in China, which is Hong Kong, which we say it in Chinese, 港币, 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 港币. Repeat after me, 港币, Hong Kong dollars, Hong Kong dollars. There are still more currencies that you also need to know. Of course, on this video, we are not going to go over all of the currencies, but let's go over the most accepted currency worldwide. The next one would be 瑞士法郎, 瑞士法郎, 瑞士法郎. Can you guess what it is? It means Swiss francs. Swiss francs. Alright, so how's it so far? Is it quite familiar and it's a little bit simple? Let me know in your comments. So another currency is 假币. 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 This is Canadian dollars. Canadian dollars. Let's go over some practice. So this is a very common question that if you're going to talk about money, you must know this question. And this question is 多少钱?多少钱? So that's a little bit fast, but let's make it slower. 多少钱?多少钱? Do you remember 钱? What is this word? It means money. 多少 means how much. But if you want to add 钱, it means how much in money. So if you combine both, 多少钱?多少钱 means how much. It's very simple. 3 words. You can also ask how much. So practice, and if you can't get it, just rewatch the video. So we already have currencies on this video. We have also learned how to ask how much and what is money. So here you are. You would need to know this too, because this involves any transaction that you want to do in terms of in relation with money. So 买 do you remember this? 买 means to buy. And what is the counterpart word for this? 卖 It means to sell. So in terms of using money, it's either you're going to buy or you're going to sell. So this simple 2 words, one Chinese word with buy and 1 Chinese word for sell. It's as simple as that. So if you might be a little bit confused because it sounds a little bit similar, so you would probably go back and rewatch this, because if you notice, if you say buy, you will say 买. That means it's a 3rd tone. That means it goes down and goes up. Goes down and go up. 买. Alright? And the sell is 卖. It's like it's a 4th tone. It goes down. It drops. The tone drops. 卖. So how's it so far? I know it might have a little bit slight difference, but don't worry. Just go back and watch the video so that you can get the hang of it. You just need to practice and do some repetitions. You already learned the few words and questions and phrases for you to use. So what's next? So the next one is going to be ask for the bill. So if you're going to ask for the bill, so you can ask saying 买单, okay? 买单. So you're asking for the bill. Or you can also say 结账. So if you can also hear this word, this is also an alternative for 买单. Asking for the bill. So just practice either one, and so that you can get used to it. So you already asked for the bill. So what's next? The next word is 付钱. 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 It means to pay. To pay. The next one is one of the largest payment gateway payment system in China and also about to grow and scale in the world, which is 支付宝. 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 Does it ring a bell? 支付宝, which is Alipay. Alipay. This is under Alibaba and companies. This is one of the largest in China as well, and also well implemented and well applied to businesses and being used. One of the trusted brands or payment gateways in China. So now you are asking Bill, you wanted to pay, and you wanted to use either WeChat Pay or Alipay. So the next step is to also open your app, and you're going to use the scanner on the app on the phone, and you are going to make a payment. So it's important to know how to say scan QR code. So how are we going to say it? 扫二维码. 扫二维码. 扫 means scan. 二维码 means QR code. 二维码. 二维码 means QR code. So if you're going to say the whole sentence is 扫二维码. Scan the QR code. Okay? How's it? If it's challenging or is a little bit of a tongue twister, go back and watch the video and review it. Don't worry, you can have those repetitions, just practice, and you will get it. So let's say you don't want to use your WeChat Pay or your Alipay for some reason, or maybe you're unable to use it, but you have a credit card or a debit card. So we must know how to say this in Chinese. So credit card is 信用卡. 信用卡. Credit card. So we also must know a debit card. Maybe you don't have a credit card or you just wanted to use your debit card. So debit card is 借记卡. 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 借记卡 means debit card. Debit card. Remember, 卡 is card. 卡 card. How is it so far? I hope you're still with me because now we're going to practice. Let's go. 你好，请问这个多少钱？你好，请问这个多少钱？ Does it sound familiar? 你好 means hello. 请问 it's like asking in a polite way that excuse me. And 这个 means this one. 多少钱? Do you remember this in the video? Means how much. So the whole sentence means hello. Excuse me. How much is this? 你好，请问这个多少钱? You want to try? Let's practice. So an example answer would be, you can directly say the price, which is, let's start with an example of 200块. 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 200 means 200. 块 means either dollars or your currency. As a unit in money, you can use 块, okay? And if you're going to say 2,000, what you're going to say is 2件, 2件, 2件. And let's say it's only 20. You can also say 20, 20, 20. If you are not familiar with the numbers, maybe you can go to watch my numbers video, and that's where you can go and in-depth into numbers for you to learn numbers in Chinese. And also, what are the importance of learning numbers? As you know, numbers is related to money. Money is related to our life. So, can you see the importance now? I hope you do. So, you already said 太贵了. 太贵了 means it's too expensive. So, what you want is hopefully they're gonna say, I'll give you a discount. And just in case they won't, so what you can do is you're gonna ask them 给我便宜点, 给我便宜点, meaning give me cheaper, give me cheaper, a little bit cheaper. So that's the direct translation. In other words is, can you give me some discount? So if they still don't want to give you anything, so what you can do is you can just say 我看看别的, 我看看别的 means I will go and see others, or I will go and see elsewhere. So, smart Chinese learner, what have you learned? Let me know your comments below. I want to know your comments about the video, and I'm also curious to know what other video topics you want to watch in our future upcoming videos. Let us know, because I wanted to give you more content that you would need in your Chinese learning journey. So if this video has helped you and has given value to you, or what you are looking for are in this video, please give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed into our channel yet, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that subscriber bell button below, because you will be the first one to get our new videos every week for you to upgrade your skills into learning Chinese. And if you think this video can benefit someone you know, don't forget to share our content, our video, so that we can help more and more Chinese learners on their Chinese learning journey. So, and I see you on my next video. 再见。